Okay, I'm gonna just show you this corrosion on my Breville. See how it started to corrode here, and when I took it apart, I noticed this, almost half of it was bubbly. Look at it. I just lightly scrape it. The rest of this black coating is coming off, and the powder underneath, I'm guessing aluminum. See how this black stuff? That means all this other stuff was in my coffee, my espresso. And this is surely going to come into my espresso eventually. But I'm going to just gently knock it all off here. See how it easily flakes off? And here, around the screw part, it's starting to come off. So all this black coating, whatever it is, hopefully it's not lead paint, is starting to come off. This is only 1 year and 4 months old. And I called them up, and they said they don't even make this machine anymore, and they don't sell this part. Nobody sells this part anymore. So this machine basically has become useless to me after 1 year and 3 months. See, look at this. You want that in your coffee? I don't want it in my coffee. I could possibly scrape this all off and repaint it. Do I want to do that? It's either that or throw the machine off. Throw the machine away, but why would I get another Breville espresso maker if it's going to do this on me? This is nasty. I think this is a food safety issue too. So I'm going to look into that and see if anybody else has this problem. Most people probably don't take that metal thing off on the bottom here. I forget what it was called. Anyways, there's my sad story.
Here is a pre-infusion. The needle must be in the middle, in the center. Okay. I put 18 grams of coffee, right? So I need 36 grams of coffee extract. Okay, in 20 to 30 seconds. Let's put 2 cups. Let's see espresso range. Espresso range is perfect. So let's see here. Okay, here we go. I need 36 grams extracted coffee in 30 seconds or less. 3, 4. Okay, very good. Nice job. This is my coffee.